We have one more exercise number 25. Now here you can see the two simple circular features is given, now connected with these simple ribs. First of all, start from these big circles. The big circle's outer diameter is 48 mm and inner diameter is 32 mm. So first of all, we draw this circle and extrude up to 20 mm. Now after that, we draw these circles. The outer diameter is 26 mm, inner diameter is 14 mm. Then after, we make this circular shape, square shape, and extrude this one and make this rib, and last one, make the hole. The diameter of this hole is 5 mm. So first of all, we start cryoparametric, select the part solid, enter the model name, exercise 25. Okay. Now select the sketch, select front plane, draw your circle, draw the another circle, give the diameter, inner diameter is 32 mm and outer 48 mm, give the dimension, the inner diameter 38 mm, outer 48 mm. Okay, select extrude 20 mm. Here select the symmetric for the easy purpose of modeling. Shading with edge. Select view appearance. Select the circles. You can see, highlight the all parts and press here OK. Now make this circle, the center of from this circle is 55 mm. Select the sketch, select the front plane, draw here circle, same center line. The center is given 55 mm. Inner diameter is 14 mm and outer is 26 mm. Finish the sketch, select extrude, select symmetricity 20. OK. Now connect with the rib. Disconnect both sides with this face. Select sketch, top plane. OK. Select the line. Select the sketch, select this face, draw the line, draw the rectangle, connect this point. Thickness is given 6 mm. From the center line, mm, select the circle, select the trim, cut the unnecessary line, finish sketch and select extrude to select OK. Now select the profile reel, select the front plane. Now draw here, reprofile, select the line, draw horizontal line, draw one circle here, and draw another line. Now select the coincide, select the circle, select the tangent the circle, select coincide point, select the trim, cut this OK. Finish, enter the dimension. The rib thickness is 6 mm, so 6 mm. OK. Now select this rib, select this mirror, select this top plane. Now mirror this rib. Now select the sketch, select this front face, make here square rectangle. The dimension of this rectangle is 30 mm and height is 50 mm. The height is not given, but this circle is in center, so calculate 7 plus 7. Draw here one rectangle, give the dimension of this 30 mm. Now this one is a half of 30. The height is 50 mm. Select coincide point, connect with this, select the circle, draw here and make it close. OK. Finish. Extrude this one, select extrude 20 mm. OK. Select this sketch front plane and make the cap. The dimension of this cap is given 3 mm. This one is the half of 3 mm. Select coincide this point and this face. This one. OK. select extrude, opposite direction, remove the material. Okay, the cap size is 3 mm. Now make this hole. The hole dimension is 10 mm, so centering this object and 7 mm from the bottom edge. The hole diameter is 5 mm. Select the sketch, select this face, select this circle, give the dimension of the circle from this edge 10 mm and from the bottom edge 7 mm. The whole diameter is 5 mm. Okay, select extrude, opposite direction, select through all. Okay, now our exercise is done. Thanks for watching these videos.